Have you noticed something? You sit down to work, and within minutes, you want to do something else. Check your phone, open another tab, watch one video, anything except the task in front of you. And then you tell yourself, I need more discipline. But what if discipline isn't the real problem? What if your focus has been destroyed? Think about how you spend your day. You wake up and instantly consume information. Messages, videos, music, notifications, content. Your brain never gets a moment of silence. Every second, something is demanding your attention, and your brain adapted. It learned to crave constant stimulation. That is why normal life feels boring now. Studying feels boring. Reading feels boring. Working feels boring. Not because they are boring, but because your brain got used to something more stimulating. Imagine feeding your body junk food every day. Eventually, healthy food starts tasting bland. The same thing happened to your mind. Your attention has been flooded with digital junk, short videos, endless scrolling, constant entertainment. And now, real life can't compete. That is why you struggle to focus. Not because you're incapable, but because your brain is overstimulated. And the scary part, most people think this is normal. They think everyone struggles to focus. So it must not be a problem. But it is a problem. Because attention is your most valuable resource. Whatever gets your attention, gets your life. If you can't control your attention, you can't control your future. Because every goal requires focus. Every skill requires focus. Every meaningful achievement requires focus. And focus is becoming rare, not because humans changed, but because distractions became stronger. So, how do you fix it? First, stop treating every moment of boredom like an emergency. You don't need to check your phone every time you're waiting. You don't need constant entertainment. You don't need stimulation every second. Let your mind be bored. Walk without music sometimes. Eat without watching something. Sit quietly. Think. Be uncomfortable. Because focus grows in silence, not in stimulation. At first, it will feel difficult. Your brain will fight back. It wants the dopamine. It wants the distraction. But every time you resist, you rebuild your attention, little by little, day by day, until your mind belongs to you again. Remember this, the battle for your future is a battle for your attention. And if you don't control where it goes, someone else will. Take it back.